Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Nicola and welcome, and today's video is another unboxing, and this one is Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription box. It costs £15. You get 5 full size to deluxe size product, ranges from makeup to hair care. So yeah, let's jump into it. So today's box is a nice pink box since it's February and Valentine's Day is coming up. So you get this little pamphlet book thing and it tells you everything that's in the box. The only thing I don't like about this one is it doesn't tell you the prices. When I finish filming, I will look to see if I could get the prices for these products. So yeah, that's that. And every month we get a subscription to the Elle magazine, which is really good because that is worth £4.50. It looks like this. I have opened it. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I shall put it down here, and as this. Sorry, I'm putting the box in front because my light isn't picking it up. This is by Philip Kingsley, which I got a Philip Kingsley in an unboxing I did recently. I'm sure it was Birchbox, January's one. It was a scalp shampoo. Philip Kingsley Maximizer, a volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair, providing volume and body. This spray holds hair in place while smoothing frizz and adding shine. A spray that can be used on either wet or dry hair. This is a hair care essential. I said in my Birchbox I had never heard of this brand, so now I've got 2 items. I'm just going to spray it in front of me. Oh, that smells really nice. That's nice. Yeah, I like that. Is this. And this is Sleek Makeup Face Form Palette. A face shaping essential, this contour palette enhances the complexion, containing a matte contour shade, a flush blush and a dewy highlighter. This is a makeup essential, perfect for defining your features. These lightweight yet pigmented powders blend easily into the skin, creating a perfectly diffused and healthy complexion. I have tried Sleek makeup before. I had an eyeshadow palette from a Glossy box, I think, but I gave it away because I had never used it, but it was really good. So this is what it looks like, and you've got your shades, and I will put it. So this is a contour shade, this is a highlight, and this is a blush. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. The blush has some sort of like sheen to it, almost like a highlighter type. Don't know if you could see that. The next item is this. And this is a Lord and Berry matte lipstick pencil in Intimacy. Achieve high pigmented colour with this Lord and Berry matte lipstick pencil. With a silky smooth formula that glides effortlessly onto the lips, this lipstick pencil delivers long lasting coverage that will last all day. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice colour. I like it. I really do actually. Next item is this, and this is Douche Punk Mascara. Create fuller looking lashes with this lightweight yet smooth formula that creates long lasting results without clumping, smudging or fading. With a brush that has both long and short bristles, this mascara amplifies, separates, curls and coats lashes from root to tip. And it's just a little mini size, and that's what the wand looks like, which it looks pretty neat. Yeah, you like that one. The next item is these. Rose Gold Eyelash Curlers. Curl your lashes to perfection with this designed eyelash curler. With a comfortable grip, this curved design fits a variety of eye shapes whilst minimising risk of smudging any other makeup. The eyelash curler's rounded silicone rubber pad guarantees a lasting intense curl. And it comes with extra pads as well, which is really nice. I don't know if I'll keep these yet because I tend to get eyelash extensions. I haven't got them in and now, they fell out. I'm getting them done next week, so I really enjoy getting them done, but then I could keep it for when I don't have them. Last item is this, and this is Emo Laszlo Deep Mud Bar. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is the therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea mud. With this detoxifying cleansing bar containing 26 minerals, the bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerine, this bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH level. It looks like it's going to be really small. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, look! Look how he is! Oh my god, that's tiny! That's so cute! Ah, that's so cute. I don't want to use that. Oh, that's really itty bitty. Quite excited about that. That's really nice. That is everything inside this month's box. As I said, it is a monthly subscription box. I have a referral link if you would like to use it. I do not make any money from this. Everybody who signs up to Look Fantastic gets this code and you get credits onto your account where you could actually build it up and spend it on the Look Fantastic website, which is really good. They do the same for Glossybox as well, so I had not long bought stuff and used that, which helped a lot. I'll leave my link down below if you're interested, and hopefully I can get the prices for these items. They do say that the box does contain over £50 worth of products, so you know, which is really good in my opinion. It gives you a chance to try different things that you maybe haven't tried before. If you liked this video, give it a like, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you soon, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye!